Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study short notes. Begin by transforming your extensive study materials into concise summaries, focusing on the core concepts. Aim for notes that capture the essence of a topic in just a few words or phrases. Employ a consistent system of abbreviations and symbols to streamline your writing process. For instance, use an asterisk for important points or an arrow to indicate cause and effect. This initial step is crucial for creating effective study tools. Now let's talk about active recall and spaced repetition, two powerful techniques. After creating your short notes, actively test yourself by trying to recall information without peeking. For example, cover your notes and try to explain a concept in your own words. Then, implement spaced repetition by reviewing your notes at expanding intervals, perhaps after 1 day, then 3 days, then a week. This method significantly strengthens memory retention, making your study sessions much more productive and efficient. Effective organization is key to studying short notes. Arrange your notes logically, perhaps by subject or chronological order, so you can quickly locate specific information. Consider incorporating visual elements such as simple diagrams, flowcharts, or mind maps to illustrate complex relationships. Using a color coding system, like blue for definitions and green for examples, can also enhance clarity. Remember to revisit and refine your notes periodically, adding new insights or clarifying existing points to keep them current and useful. Finally, consistency and application are paramount. Make reviewing your short notes a regular habit, even if it's just for 10 to 15 minutes each day. Actively apply the concepts you've learned to real-world examples or practice questions. This deepens your understanding beyond mere memorization. A fantastic way to solidify knowledge is to teach the material to a friend or explain it to yourself aloud. This process reveals any gaps in your understanding. Stay persistent, and you'll see significant improvements in your learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.